Hello everyone, let's talk about what's the difference between the words canyon, gorge, ravine, gulch, gully, and defile. These words are used for describing different types of valleys, and they are all nouns except two of them. They can also be verbs, gorge and defile, but have their own definitions. Ranking from the largest to the smallest, excluding the word defile because it has its own slight connotation, which I will mention later. Canyon, gorge, ravine, gulch, gully. Canyon, you've heard about this word before. It's like a big one, a very big one, canyon, the Grand Canyon of Arizona, with steep sides, might be a river in it, a little bit vegetation, rapids, waterfalls, etc. Gorge is just a smaller version of a canyon, but also a narrower one. Ravine, it's a smaller version of a gorge. Like I said before, the gorge is a smaller version of a canyon, so ravine is a smaller version and a narrower one of a gorge. But it can also be a mountainous area, just like imagine um, like the state of Montana. This state has many ravines, mountainous areas with vegetation in it, might be animals, etc. Gulch, mostly associated with gold, like gold gulches of California, Yukon, where prospectors prospecting for gold. Usually it's a small creek where you can find some gold. And the Gully is just like the words before, is a smaller version, but is a smaller version of a gulch. And the main difference is that uh, a gully is a temporary creek that can be dried out. And as I said before, the last word, defile. Defiled, mostly associated with military contexts, can be used by soldiers or guerrilla groups, and defiles have vantage points on it, from where guerrilla groups, usually guerrilla groups, can shoot upon soldiers in defiles itself. For example, like it did the Taliban in Afghanistan, where they were shooting upon their enemies, waylating them, ambushing them. It's defiles defiles defile itself is a very good valley where you can ambush and waylay your enemies, because mostly always it has many vantage points, as I said before, from where you can shoot upon your enemies. And that's it for today, folks. I hope my explanation was pretty clear and helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.